Hello, what I'm going to show is a solver of my first problem. I'm assigned three problems which have 8 sub-problems in total. The algorithm to solve them is basically the same with the first one, but in other problems there are much more variables, which means they are more complicated. There are more equations. For example, in this picture we have angle A4 equals A1 plus A2, and length SA1 plus SA2 equals SA5. Also, angle A5 equals A1 plus A6. A5 also equals A4 equals A3. I have to be much careful to discover all these unobvious equations. Okay. For the first solver, I'm basically accomplished it. For the rest problems, what I need to do is to add the code serving the coordinates to them. Now let's display what my first solver can do. First, let's run it. Okay, let's introduce it first. My server first asks user to input the name and value of the known items. I divide it into two parts. The first part asks user to input angle, length, and areas. The next part I ask user to input the coordinates of vertices. Now let's start it. Suppose we know SA1. So its length is 2, and B1 60, C1 90, and also we know SB2 1, and -1 to we don't provide coordinates in this. Since for the left triangle we know as SA1, B1, C1, so it's solvable. So we know SA, C1, so C2 is solvable. So in the left triangle, we know SA, C2, and SB2, so it's solvable too. So the whole picture is solvable. So let's say it displays all the existing items. Next, I'm going to show if we only know several items, so we can only display this, we can solve. For example, we know A1 is 60, C1 90, so we can only know B1, C2, that's it. Yeah, A1, B1, C1, and C2. For errors, the same. For example, error 1, 1, error 3, 2. So we can only know about error 1, error 2, and error 3. That's it. L1, L2, and L3. Next, I'm going to show about the coordinates. Suppose we know, we also have to know B1. Then we begin to type in vertex V1, 1, 0, V2, 3, 0, V3, 2, 1.76, 62. Because we know the three vertex of the big triangle, so it's solvable, and we also know the angle B1, so the whole picture is solvable. Let's say, yeah, A1, A2, B1, B2, all the thing is solved, including areas and the vertices. Also, if we only know vertex coordinates and the length, we can only solve these solvable items. For example, we know V1, 1, 0, SB1, 1. Oh, sorry. First, I have to input a length. Let's try again. SB1, 1, SB2, 1, and we begin to input coordinates V1, 1, 0, V4, 2, 0. In this case, we can get V2, let's say. Yeah, we input V1, V4, because we know SB1 and with SB2, so we got V2. And because we know SB1 and SB2, so we also know SB, let's say. Yeah. This is exactly what my solver looks like now. What I'm going to do is, next is going to add get output functions, which can output the specified items, and I'm going to remove these unsolvable items. I think it's very simple. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.